last couple of parts for the ARC Trooper pack. First we're going to do the top part. I went ahead and pre-drilled the holes, but the measurements, that you have them, are as follows. It's going to be centered. It's going to be centered on here. You see that? It's centered right there. It's centered right there. Okay. From the top, it's going to be, I use millimeters. It's going to be about 45 millimeters down to the center of the hole. You can see that. And then up here on the bottom, it's going to be about the same thing, 45 centimeters. Sorry, millimeters. I'm in the US, so you gotta forgive me. On the side, go ahead and pre-drill 2 holes. They're both gonna be about, about 23 millimeters down from here to the hole, center of the hole. And then about 40 millimeters from the top here to here. Same distance down here, distance between the holes. Again, this does not have to be exact, so you're just going into a tube. 175 millimeters in between. But it doesn't matter as long as we get it set right up here. So I'll do the top one first. I'm going to use these long screws. These are self-tapping. So I'll start with this one first. Actually, for the one of them, I'm going to use one of these long screws for one of them. Sorry about that. So for the top, put the top one in first. Right there. Let's go ahead and get the drill set up. Piece on the end of the drill. You want this to line up is this bottom piece right here going to be almost flush with right here. It's not an exact measurement. But typically I'll have this flat piece right here flush with the edge right here. I'll show you when I'm done. Kind of just hold it there. Set up. The screw almost goes in the little gap there. Self-tapping, so I don't have to drill it. Don't over tighten. There you go. About lining up. Make sure I've got it kind of straight. This time I'm going to use the long screw. And if you have a kit, I'll be sending you a shorter one than this, but this happens to be the only one I have here for the purpose of this demonstration. Straight up and down. There you go. Nice and tight. By the way, this thing is very light. Now we'll put the side piece on. We'll be done. I'm going to use these two. Normally I do use tapping screws. I'll try on this one. I'll line this one up. The seam right here. I'm going to line up with this, the bottom of this piece for a visual. I'll take these three washers, put them together. They're going to go between the base and the tube. Because of these, you need to have these spacers in here, otherwise. Okay. Putting the last piece on. Now, we did the 2 holes. I marked it here on the pipe. I went ahead and pre-drilled the holes. Best thing you can do. Like I said, you're gonna have the three washers for each one of the screws. Let me test the length on this. Good. The other one. Now with your kit, you'll probably have a little bit longer one, but this is all I had for the demonstration. Sorry, I had some issues with my camera there, but went ahead and screwed them through. So pretty much you're going to put the three washers for each one. Use your self-tapping screws. It's nice and tight. Ignore that line here. Lines nicely. So this is your finished pack. Very lightweight. All good to go. And that concludes the build for the Star Wars Clone Trooper ARC animated